风趣
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, welcome back to another round of Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是妹长。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。又要来教单字的时间了哦。那既然讲到单字，我们来教单位好了。
年，
对，
一日，
日。
你是第几届？
这个也不错。好，那先从年开始好了。好，到了年底了嘛So we're going to teach you phrases that have to do with units or time units, like a year. 年怎么说？
年。
OK， 那基本的一句话就是一年有365天。Let's teach you that. How do you say there's 365 days in a year?
一年有365年。
365年。OK， 这个当然也有人会说，有的时候是366日了哈。
所以有的人生日可能要4年一次。
对，2月29号，很可怜的。All right. So that was again, 1 year has 365 days. How about every year there's spring, summer, autumn, and winter? 一年有春夏秋冬四季。
一年有春夏秋冬。西归是什么？四季
4 seasons. That's 西归。Okay, let's review some of the phrases that are useful, including the 4 seasons, 春夏秋冬。
春夏秋冬。
Again, that's spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And then the year, 年。Okay, that's a whole year. There you go, learning more about these units. Hope you find it very useful in your daily conversation in Hakka. Thank you for listening.
什么台嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.